Let me show you a small detail that tells you a lot. On a PU cover, the stitch is not just for looks. It helps the cover stay strong and keep sharp. First, we keep the space between stitches even. That clean line is what many buyers look for right away. Next, the corners matter. The stitching lines must stay on track. No slip, no bend, and the end must be locked down and neat. Also, stitching length and thread tension make a big difference. Too tight, the PU can bunch up and look weak. Too loose, you get loose, and the thread can come loose over time. We test it by pulling and twist, so it holds up a real use.
Line paper, you design, we deliver.